Hello guys and welcome to the video. So past few videos we have seen many things, and now we have added file manager to the server, so it has become very robust uh, panel. We can do many things with this, so why not we set up a WordPress over here and see how our server works. So let's move on to it. So we know to install a WordPress we need the WordPress file, so we have to go to wordpress.org and click on get WordPress and click over here to download the file. So I've already downloaded the file over here, and then the next thing we're gonna need is a database. So let us add a database and click on add database and give the name of the database as YouTube. So the database name is admin YouTube, admin underscore YouTube, and then the user should be, not should be, I like to keep them both same, and let us generate a password, and I have copied them both over here and type MySQL host localhost, and we don't have to fill up this one, and our database has been created. Here we can see that. And now what we can do is we can go to file manager and we can go to web v.fun public HTML and delete these two versus here, delete them both and upload our WordPress file over here. Here the file is uploading. The upload should be the upload is completed, and now we can click on it and extract it on our public HTML. Here it has been extracted, so we don't need this. We can delete this one. We can see our files over here, but we don't want this WordPress directory. We want our files on the root directory, so we will select all. We'll select all the files, and then we will move them to home, admin, then to web, and then v.fun, and then public underscore html. I'm seeing from here, I'm seeing the directory from here. So home, admin, web, v.fun, and on public HTML, and we click on move, and the file will be moving. Let us wait for some time. Like, it's bad that there is no progress bar that it has been moved or something like that. Okay, I think that has been moved. I'll go to web v.fun public HTML. Yeah, it has been moved. There are two sides, I don't know why. You can copy and paste from here, so we don't need this WordPress directory either. And now if we go to our v.fun domain, we can see the installation panel of WordPress. Yeah, voila, that's pretty cool, right? And now let's go, the database name we have copied over here, we'll paste them, we'll paste the password and table prefix, let them just be it, run the installation. Okay, the site title will be Vesta WordPress from YouTube. Then we can give the username as admin, confirm password, discourage, install. Okay, admin at the rate of v.fun, my bad. Install WordPress, and the WordPress will be installed. Yeah, so login, we at the rate of admin, Sorry. Here we are at the dashboard, and this WordPress is hosted on our VPS, and here's our website. So if we go to we.fun, we can see our website. We can do each and everything, and we have a fully running WordPress installation over our VPS within just a couple of clicks. So thank you very much. Hope you guys have liked it.